Money solves all problems. Food, clothes, a girlfriend with all holes on the table. There's nothing you can't buy. But how do you earn bread when you're young? Well, here are 5 ways to get rich, illegally. Number 1, tell others how to earn money. Look, you don't need actual money, you just need people to think you have money. Convince them you know the secrets. Nobody's fact-checking your financial condition. Number 2, launch a crypto coin. You create a coin called something stupid, like Diddy's then you hype it up on X and TikTok. Say things like, this is going to 100 times, trust me, bro. Get your friends to buy in first so it looks like there's demand, then watch as random idiots throw their money at it. The trick is, you own like 40% of the supply. So, when the price pumps, you sell everything and disappear. Congratulations! You just rug pulled your entire fan base. But don't worry, they'll forgive you, because they're idiots who'll fall for the next coin too. Number 3, the fake giveaway. This one's genius. You post, hey guys, I'm giving away $10,000 to one lucky follower. All you have to do is pay $1 to enter. Now, you might think, who's dumb enough to fall for this? And the answer is everyone, because people are greedy and bad at math. If you get 10,000 people to enter, that's $10,000 in your pocket. Then you just post, winner will be announced soon, and that soon will never come. Number 4, be a fake trader. This is just number 1, but with more charts. You don't need to know anything about trading, you just need to look like you do. Show off a rented BMW. Talk about candles and resistance levels like you're some Wall Street genius. Then launch your course. Trading Secrets. Charge $200 and fill it with stuff you found on YouTube for free. Your students will lose all their money trying your strategies. And congratulations, you're the one getting paid. Number 5, print fake money. Okay, this one's simple. You buy a $150 printer, some fancy ink, and you start printing money. Boom, you're rich forever. Just kidding. You're going to federal prison to make license plates for 10 years. Turns out, the government really doesn't like competition in the currency market. Who knew? But hey, at least you tried. And honestly, prison's not that bad. Free food, free housing, and you'll have plenty of time to plan your next get-rich-quick scheme for when you get out. So, there you have it. 5 foolproof ways to earn money illegally. If I missed any, let me know in the comments. And remember, it's not illegal if you don't get caught. You know what you want to do, though. You want to hit that subscribe button, don't you? Do it. Push the button before the feds show up.